This is a step-by-step tutorial for beginners on digital art. Today we will draw this super easy desert illustration. I hope you like it. Create a blank canvas. I'll use 1600 by 2560 pixels. You can use any of these presets. All other settings are untouched. If you want to use exactly same color, paste the hex here. Enable the vertical symmetry tool first, tap here to hide the icons. Now, if you can't increase the size of Monoline brush this much, go to settings, and increase this size range bar. Enable the grid tool, and draw a straight line in the middle. Now, disable the grid and symmetry tool. Enable the alpha lock, use the gradient tool and select the highlight colors. Now create a clip layer, and draw a curved line, hold your stroke to make it smooth, and tap on it again to adjust it. Fill the remaining area. Enable the alpha lock, and add shade in the lower area. Create a clip layer, draw another curved line similar to it, and hold your stroke, tap on the line again to adjust it. The circle icon is to create smooth curves and the square icon is used to create sharp or hard edges. Now, fill the left side completely. Erase here to create more harder edge. Create a clip layer below, and draw the other side also. I'll draw one curved line here. And one right here. Fill the top area partially like this. And fill the lower area completely. Erase the lower area partially. And in this area, soften the edges only. Unclip the top layer, and create a clip layer for it. Draw another edge here. Erase it partially and soften its edges. Create another clip layer, and add lighter shades on the top edge. Merge these clip layers, and unclip it, then create another clip layer on the top. Now, add darker shades in the lower sides. Create another clip layer in the bottom, and add more colors using soft airbrush. Create a clip layer below, and draw some stars. Lower the opacity of the layer above, so we can see through it. Create a clip layer below, and enable the symmetry tool. Draw the moon in the middle. Duplicate this layer and enable the alpha lock. Then change its color to white. Now, use the transformation tool to increase its size. Then lower its opacity also. Repeat this 2 more times. Now, use the soft airbrush to erase the middle portion of each circle layer. After you're done, merge all the circle layer. Create another clip layer above, and add some bloom here. Now, select the moon layer and add blur filter. I'll keep it around 10 to 15. Let's lower this circle layer little more. Create a layer in the bottom, and fill the highlight color on it. Duplicate the layer above and make sure alpha lock is enabled, then fill the black layer. Now, add blur filter on it also, and disable the alpha lock to see the effect. Now, use the transformation tool to move it. Lastly, lower the opacity. That's it, it's done. Thanks for watching. If it helped, then like the video, and subscribe for more videos like this. You can also follow me on Instagram, links in the description.